Isha Ambani, daughter of India's richest man Mukesh Ambani, isn't just an heiress. She's a businesswoman, a leader in the retail industry, and a captivating figure in the world of fashion. Her sartorial choices, often featuring a fusion of tradition and modernity, have garnered her international attention. This exploration delves into Isha Ambani's life, her influence on Indian fashion, and the glimpses we have into her exquisite clothing and jewelry collection. Isha's story begins with academic excellence. A graduate of Yale University and Stanford Business School, she possesses a sharp mind for business. After honing her skills at McKinsey Company, she joined Reliance Industries, her family's conglomerate. In 2022, she took over as director of Reliance Retail, showcasing her leadership potential and strategic vision. She is married to Anand Piramal, the son of Ajay Piramal, the chairman of the Piramal Group, a conglomerate with interests in pharmaceuticals, real estate, and financial services. Beyond the boardroom, Isha is a trendsetter in the fashion world. Her style is a captivating blend of Indian elegance and contemporary flair. She champions Indian designers like Abu Jani Sandeep Khosla and Manish Malhotra, often gracing red carpets in their breathtaking creations. These intricately embroidered lehengas and saris, adorned with rich fabrics and heritage motifs, showcase her pride in her cultural background. However, Isha's style isn't limited by tradition. She effortlessly transitions to Western silhouettes, rocking power suits and designer dresses with equal aplomb. This ability to seamlessly navigate between Indian and Western aesthetics makes her a true fashion chameleon. The Ambani family is known for their extravagant lifestyle, and their jewelry collection is no exception. While details about Isha's personal jewelry collection remain private, public appearances offer tantalizing glimpses. She has often been seen wearing pieces from her mother Neeta Ambani's vast collection, featuring dazzling diamond necklaces, emerald sets, and statement earrings. These heirloom pieces, crafted by renowned jewelers, are not just adornments but works of art, passed down through generations. Diamonds seem to be a favorite in Isha's jewelry repertoire. She has sported multi-layered diamond necklaces, chandelier earrings, and delicate diamond bracelets, each piece adding a touch of grandeur to her ensembles. Isha's influence on fashion extends beyond her personal style. As the director of Reliance Retail, she plays a crucial role in shaping India's fashion landscape. Reliance Retail houses a vast network of fashion brands, both Indian and international. Under Isha's leadership, the company has partnered with global giants like Armani and Versace, making these luxury brands more accessible to the Indian market. This move not only caters to the growing demand for luxury fashion in India but also fosters a space for international collaboration and exchange. Isha Ambani navigates a world that demands a delicate balance. She honors her family's heritage while carving her own path in the business world. Beyond fashion and business, the Ambani family is known for its philanthropic endeavors. While details about Isha's personal involvement are limited, considering her family's legacy, it's likely she shares a passion for giving back. Isha Ambani is a role model for young women in India and around the world. She demonstrates that one can be successful in business while embracing their cultural identity and expressing themselves through fashion. Her journey inspires women to pursue their dreams while staying true to their roots. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates.